Hi, I'm Eric Weber and I'm a headshot photographer. I've shot literally thousands of headshots. Maybe you're an actor and you need a new headshot for auditions, or you're starting your own business and you need a headshot for your promotional material, or you work for a company that's bringing in a headshot photographer for the day. Maybe you need a new picture for your dating profile. I'm here to give you a roadmap to a successful headshot session. What can you expect? First, consider what you need to be thinking about when you sit down in front of my camera. Wait a minute, thinking about? Why? Well, let's define a headshot. A headshot is typically a business sales tool. You use it to introduce yourself to a prospective client, a potential employer, or in the acting world, it's your calling card for a casting agent to see what you look like and if you will fit the part. So with a headshot, you are selling your product, and the product in this case is you. Your job is to reassure your potential client or employer or casting agent that one, you're a nice person to work with, and two, you're darn good at what you do. That means you want to come off as friendly and confident. Now, this isn't all up to you, it's also up to the photographer. It's up to me to know how to direct you to capture these moments. You're the actor, I'm the director. And I'm not just going for a pretty picture, I want a picture that shows you are strong, powerful, and friendly. There you go. And even say, I'm good. Part of what we'll play with is body language. Think about this. If you're interviewing for a job and you're leaning back in your chair with your arms folded, what kind of message does that send? Not a positive one, that's for sure. But leaning in, that conveys eagerness and enthusiasm as well as openness. Well, same with a headshot. If you are leaning into the camera, that sends an additional message to the viewer that you are enthusiastic and eager to make that connection. Then there's how you hold your head. Chin too high, arrogance. Chin too low, shy. Head turned too far to either side, distrust and judgment. So the best head angle is chin down just a little bit, straight on or slightly to your good side. About that second one, we all have a good side. So how do we discover it? Well, what I do is ask my female clients to, without thinking about it, flirt with me. They will unconsciously turn to what they subconsciously know to be their pretty side. It's also the side they favor when they look at themselves in the mirror. Conversely, for men, I ask them to look at me as if they're threatening to punch me. They will also subconsciously look at me with their most powerful angle. As a photo subject, it's good for you to have an awareness of your most powerful angles. Practice in the mirror. And finally, wardrobe. Rule of thumb, dark solids, colors that look good on you, that you've been complimented on. Necklines that look good on you, age appropriate. Dress to fit the industry you're applying for or for the part you will be realistically cast as. I don't expect you to remember every single thing I've said here, but enough to realize what a valuable tool a good headshot can be, especially when you know what to expect and when your photographer knows what to do to get the best, friendliest, most confident picture you've ever had.